Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you an amazing Unity tool plugin called Burning Effect Tool, Fire. This stylized flame aura effect can make your characters look truly alive and powerful. With this tool, a dynamic burning outline will appear around your models in real time, giving them an intense fiery presence, perfect for heroes, bosses, or any kind of power-up transformation. Main features: 1. Stylized flame outline. A dynamic fiery halo surrounds your characters, creating an epic burning effect. 2. Easy integration. Simply drag and drop the prefab or attach the script to your character. 3. Optimized performance. Works smoothly on PC, mobile devices, and consoles. 4. Fully customizable. Adjust flame color, intensity, and animation speed to match your own art style. 5. Pipeline support, compatible with URP, HDRP, and the built-in render pipeline. Perfect for action, RPG, or fighting games. Power-up or transformation effects. Boss rage or awakening moments. Sci-fi and fantasy-themed characters. The download link is in the video description and pinned comment below. Your support is my biggest motivation to keep sharing awesome Unity assets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.